so I'm sure that you know that we're playing the xylophone today and that it starts with the letter X. So we're going to sing a song first, learn to sing the song, and then play it on the instrument. So the song is a silly song that goes like this. Let me do my pitch first. Ebenezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks upon his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebenezer, what a man. So, each little phrase of the song goes to a different note, like this. Ebenezer Sneezer, move up to orange. Topsy-turvy man, move to yellow. Walks up on his elbows, move to green. Every time he can, move to light blue. Dresses up in paper, dark blue. Every time it pours, purple. Whistles Yankee Doodle, little red. Every time he snores, now freeze over little red. You're going to hit each note one time, going down. Oh, Ebenezer, what a man. Now a couple of key things to think about is you're going to start at the big red end. See if you can see this one is bigger than this one. Okay, so start at big red. And if you'll play in between the two black dots, you'll play right there, then it will make the best sound. Also, you don't want to hit it and stick. You want to make it like a trampoline. So listen, like this. You don't want to do this. Ew, no. Make it bounce like you're on a trampoline, okay? Ebenezer, Sneezer. See, my mallet is coming up and down, not just sticking. It stops the sound. Then, when you get to the top, make sure you freeze and listen for Miss Nikki to say, oh,